AutoCAD 2025 and TurboCAD 2025 both stand out as powerful CAD tools, but they serve slightly different audiences. AutoCAD remains the industry leader, especially for architects, engineers, and large organizations that need advanced features like AI-assisted block placement, cloud collaboration, and robust revision tracking. It also comes with better automation options through Autolisp, Python scripting, and other APIs, making it ideal for teams that want to streamline complex workflows. However, AutoCAD is subscription-based and quite expensive, which makes it less accessible for small businesses or individual users. On the other hand, TurboCAD 2025 offers a more budget-friendly solution with flexible licensing options and multiple editions, allowing users to choose the version that fits their needs. It has strong 2D and 3D drafting, mechanical design tools, and improved rendering capabilities, along with a more beginner-friendly interface that lowers the learning curve. While TurboCAD doesn't match AutoCAD in terms of enterprise-level collaboration or cloud features, it provides excellent value for freelancers, hobbyists, and small firms that want professional-grade CAD software without the heavy cost. In short, AutoCAD is best suited for large, complex projects requiring cutting-edge tools, while TurboCAD offers a practical and affordable alternative for those who prioritize cost and usability.